This is Nick with Build Brothers Roofing, starting my digital inspection at 455 Via Maria Avenue out here in Oceanside. Whenever we start our inspections, we always like to start underneath the eave of the house. So your eaves will consist of your fascia board, you then have your rafter tails, then you have your starter board. And the reason why we like to start underneath the eave is it gives us a good idea about what kind of wood damage we can expect on this project. Wood repair is always an unknown variable, and it shows if there's any rotted wood or termites to be aware of. We can see we do have some termite damage on this property. I would imagine if it's right here that there will be more underneath some of this the current roofing. So wood repair is something that the homeowner needs to be aware of. So that gives us an idea about what that's going to look like. So working my way up to the top of the roof, we have an architectural asphalt shingle. We can see how shiny the majority of these shingles are. What that is the fiberglass showing through. Nice thing is that this roof did come with drip edge. This is this piece of metal flashing that helps water run off the flashing as opposed to the wood itself. So that will definitely help when it comes to wood repair. I'm going to work my way all the way up to the top just to point out a few things for the next homeowner. Okay, looks like we've had some repairs done. Looks like we have different roofing material from this section as compared to this section. So there might have been a leak in the past. I'm not sure. You can see that some of the penetrations of the sealant has eroded away. We can see just how much water and moisture will be coming down those pipes. So those will need to be redone when the project is done as well. But we can also see again just how shiny this is. I'll come over here on this side just so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Some pool solar and some regular solar that we're going to talk about as well. But here we have all that fiberglass. Okay, so essentially what's happening is the oils on this roofing product have began to evaporate, and as those oils evaporate, the shingles, the granules on the shingles themselves start to deplete every time it rains. And once that happens, the fiberglass is exposed, and now the waterproofing is greatly affected. So that's a telltale sign that the product has gone past its life expectancy. Obviously, we have some solar panels on this roof that we are going to need to address. We are an Elite SunPower dealer. We have all in-house crews for all of our solar installations, removal and reinstalls and so forth. So that won't be a problem. But then we also have this pool solar that will need to be removed and reinstalled as well. So we'll have to sub that out, but that's okay. We have great subs that we work with on the pool solar side. Again, just want to point out a few other things on this roof. Some more of these penetrations. You can see that the sealant that was used has started to weather. The oils on this sealant have begun to evaporate as well. So now water and moisture comes down these pipes every time it rains, and that can always be an issue. Again, you can see some more sealant that was used along these pipes. All that sealant is starting to wear through, so we're gonna have to redo that also. Now we are an Owens Corning preferred contractor. So when the homeowner is ready to redo this roof, what we're gonna do is tear this down to the wood decking. Once we tear this down to the wood decking, we can address all the wood issues that are underneath this roof. We will then add a layer of synthetic underlayment. Now that underlayment will come with a 50-year warranty from Owens Corning. And then because we have that preferred contractor status, they also back our workmanship warranty, which is a 10-year warranty. So that means that if something happened to us, then they would pass that over to another preferred contractor in San Diego. But once that underlayment is put on, then the actual roofing material is applied, the shingle itself. We install brand new ridge caps as well. Again, you can see just how damaged all these ridge caps are. They're going to start cracking pretty soon. And once that roof gets put on, we add brand new drip edge along the entire perimeter and starter shingle as well, which is the first layer of shingle that gets nailed down. And then you have a brand new 50-year product that is on this home. As far as the current condition of the roof goes, you know, I would say this roof probably has another few years left in it. Once that fiberglass becomes as exposed as it is, the roof starts to degrade pretty quickly at that point. So if the homeowner is looking to be proactive, it would be a good time to redo the roof. You can redo the color, change up the look. It's completely up to them. But again, we just need to be aware of the fact that we will have to be removing and reinstalling these panels along with the pool solar as well. That's it for my inspection.